Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two ways on how to change the date and time of your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step on how to change it is by simply pressing Windows and I key together. You have just successfully opened your settings. Okay. So here in the settings, go for the left side of it. It has this list of options. Here in this tab, you need to look for time and language, which I can see here next to accounts. Click on it. And the moment you have opened the time and language tab, you need to proceed to the very first option of it, which is the date and time. Simply click on it to continue. Once you have opened it, you will be able to see options here, the time zone and the set at date and time manually. Here, aligning thus, you can see this change button. Click on it. And the moment you have clicked on that, you are being able to be redirected here to change date and time window. Here you can select the date and set the date into the current date that you are in your place. Okay, so just simply click on that and then click on change. And with that, you have just successfully changed the date and time of your Windows or computer. Here, if you want to select the time zone and set your country in the default time zone, then simply find your country and just select it. Okay. So in that manner, you have just successfully set the time zone in the place that you are in. Okay. So that's the very first step. And the second step, which is a simple step, is you need to do a right click here at the date and time, do a right click, and go for adjust date and time. So in that manner, you have just successfully opened the date and time option. Okay. So in that easy step, you can simply click on changed and then set the current date and time of your place, change, then also select the time zone. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.